I've been following JD.com ever since Michael Burry, aka The Big Short, bought a huge stack for his portfolio about a year ago this time. In addition, at that time, he had purchased a big chunk of Alibaba stock. But then around April, May, he sold. And then maybe 4 months ago, he got back into JD.com. Why, I'm not sure. The China economy is still recovering from the pandemic. And according to the monthly chart on JD.com, we never did get a close above this support band at $32. Nevertheless, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. This is coming from the Motley Fool. Why JD.com stock hit another 52-week low. So JD.com is a Chinese e-commerce giant, and they gave out bad news. Specifically, the Chinese economy again reported that they're struggling, and this is putting pressure not only on JD.com but all Chinese companies. Nevertheless, one analyst on Wall Street lowered his price target, reflecting ongoing negativity around the stock. The world's number 2 economy officially reported that gross domestic product grew 5.2% in 2023 and slowed to 4.1% in the fourth quarter. While those numbers reflect faster growth than most of the rest of the world, they represent a clear slowdown for China and confirm the negative sentiment around the country. Now, Mizuho is a Wall Street analyst. They lowered their price target on JD.com stock from $40 to $35, though it maintained a buy rating on the stock. The firm cited a meaningful divergence of consumer confidence levels in the U.S. and China internet sectors. It also advised investors to play defense in China as it expects consumer spending to remain down. So how low can JD.com stock go? Well, it's off roughly 50% from last year. The fall has continued in 2024 as its partner Data Nexus revealed accounting inaccuracies, and investors seem increasingly fearful that its rapid growth from before the pandemic will never return. Then you also have competitor Pinduoduo, parent company PDD Holding, also coming on strong. JD.com is solidly profitable, but the revenue only grew 1.5% in its most recent report. Stock should eventually hit a bottom, but it's likely to fall further if more downbeat economic news on China comes out. So the Big Short, Michael Burry, he's known for making these macro bets, and maybe he sees the China economy turning around, but according to the data, it's not. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, again, you can see the last support level was breached. Now, you did get that pullback before price continued its leg down. Got another pullback, didn't quite get to that band, and now we can see price collapsing. We see this week's, we have several gaps, gap downs, gap and goes. So my target is $20, in which we should find support. Why? Kind of going back up to the daily chart. You have multiple touches that served as support. So Michael Burry, if you're following these videos, you would know that you should have waited for price to get down to that $20 level before considering going long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.